Little fingers?
Mama, I want to see his eyes.
I think we probably can't see his eyes very well. I think they're closed. He is sleeping. Let me see if I let you stand up here.
He's out of it.
Yeah, he's totally up. Too hot for him.
It's like me on a Monday.
Yeah, right.
She's cute.
They like to live in the snow, so even this weather right now is too hot for them.
But it isn't snow right now.
I know, he wants snow. He's sad winter is over. Tell him sweet dreams.
Dreams.
I like his spots. That's a snow leopard. Leopards have spots.
There's leopards.
Snow leopard. Remember what they eat?
Soft kitty, warm kitty.